Hey, hi all. So I'm back again with another Java interview question, and I'm following or continuing my same Java interview series. And in my last videos, like I have solved one question that for removing the duplicate characters from the string, and you need to maintain the lexicographical order also. This was the lead code question. But today the same question is there, but there are slight differences that we need to remove only the duplicate characters from the string using the Java 8 streams, and we do not need to maintain the lexicographical order. So that's why we can easily solve this using Java 8 streams. And apart from this, this has been asked in many of the interviews again. But sometimes when they ask with the lexicographical order, so using Java 8, it will be like it can be solved, but it will be hard to maintain via DQ and everything. It will be taking like number of steps more, and it will be more complex program if you are solving that lexicographical order and removing the duplicate characters using the Java 8 streams. So that's why if the interviewer asks, just you need to remove the duplicate characters from the strings using Java streams. So it is very easy and it can be done in a couple of lines. Basically, suppose for example you are given this input string and it is having duplicate characters, and you need to return the distinct characters. Similarly here also example 2. So let's get started with the ID by solving this problem by taking any of the test cases. Suppose I have taken this test case, a double A, double B is there, and how we will be solving with the using the Java 8. So as I mentioned, I have made many Java 8 like videos in my series. Please go and watch all of the videos in my this interview series, and you will be able to or easily to crack the Java interviews. And I have covered most of the Java 8 interview questions also, or Java 8 coding questions basically, if I say particularly. So let's get started by solving this problem also. And before that, like if you haven't liked, share and subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So as I do every time, that for continuing, like what we will be doing, we will be converting this string into an integer string. Then what we will be doing, we will be mapping to object, character by character. It will from integer stream it will convert to object form of character type, and basically we will doing it character dot value of is the there. Okay, and I will be passing, and same thing again we need to do that, we will be typecasting it. Okay, see here, so till now what we have done, we have converted this string into integer string using cats method. Just have a hands-on, basic hands-on, you will be able to learn this method, like what particular these methods do. Then we are calling map to object, it will convert character by character using character dot value of, and typecasting as character of this I, and we get the string into character. Now what we will doing, we have to, for removing the duplicates from anything, we have the distinct method in the Java 8 streams. We will be calling this distinct method here. Then what we'll be doing it, now we have got the characters without any duplicates, distinct characters we have got. Now what we'll be doing, we will be calling the map method here for converting characters to string again. Then we have I, and every time for that map method should be aware that this is we are calling the or converting into string, so we are adding that space something like that, like I plus, and no space I am adding each character, so that's why it will convert into a string. Like map method will be aware that this is a string we are trying to convert. Then we have for map is the intermediate operation, and at the end we need to call the terminal operations for completing our operations. So for that, dot collectors.joining is the method which will join this or get converted into the string. Or otherwise we have the for each also, you can directly try to print also, and it will try to give the output. But we have done this, and now what we'll be doing, we will be storing this into output. So see, it is a simple program and not a lengthy video also, because if you are aware of Java 8 these streams method, so you can easily just run this program and solve it. See here, we are given the output input as double A, double B, and the output will be AB with the distinct characters. Let me run one of the more test cases for you getting it clear. Suppose this double C is there. Just add double C here. Now output should be with the distinct one, ABC should be the output we'll be getting. See here, ABC is coming with the distinct characters. Now basically let me revisit what I have done. I have converted this string into chars or integer string using chars method. Then we are calling map.toObj for character. By character we are getting the value and typecasting as character explicitly. Then we have the distinct method in Java streams. To avoid that duplicacy, we have the distinct method, so we are calling it, so it will get the unique characters from there. Then we are calling the map method for converting into string I plus and then empty no space there, so that map method can be understood that this is we are trying to convert into a string. Then at the end we need to call the terminal operations for our string to be closed. For we have the collect method dot collectors.joining we are calling it, so it will convert into or try to get into string form, and then we are storing into a local variable dot string output, and then we are trying to print this string output. It's a simple line program. If you see, we have taken only 4, and if you count the input line also, 5 lines program is there. It can be easy type of question, you can say. It can be asked in a Java interview. And apart from this, like I've covered many of the Java interview series questions. Please go and watch it and let me know if you have any doubts, any feedback, any suggestions in the comments. That's it from my side. Thanks. Bye.